Then I slapped myself so hard. 3 times I remember. And I remember the red face I had that day. No, what the hell are you doing? What the hell are you doing? You have a family to feed. Your parents are there. Your father is there. You have to take care of them. Breakout. Within like 25 minutes, I made $100 into $800. Not dollars, euros. All of my 800 euros. And within 1 minute, boom, gone. I was like, what the?
Parth is a trader from Germany who once lost money in the markets, but didn't quit. Today, he's managing a $100,000 funded account with Hola Prime, and is now unlocking his first payout of $5,923.
I was just a stupid human back then. I just had a few bucks to spend, you know. And I had no idea there's something called stop loss back then. I would like clicked on the buy or the sell button and I've left the screen.
I mean, what a journey, what a journey.
Hola Prime has changed my thinking in a very good way. I really wanted to thank you for making my brain work in a better way. You have this 10 minutes rule written in your rule book that I cannot take the same trade in the same direction for 10 minutes.
Yeah.
This has made me lose a lot of money from other platforms, because later on when I request payout, they're like, no, you cannot take because you broke this rule. And I was like, oh,
exactly.
Where is the rule?
Parth, thank you so much for coming on today. How are you doing?
Hello, Sam. I'm good. How are you?
I'm very good.
First of all,
very
thank you
good.
for having me on your interview.
No, most welcome, most welcome. We love to interview our successful traders, and yeah, that percentage, 6%, man. What a gain on the account. Incredible stuff. I'd love to kind of get to know your trading a little bit more, but before we do that, I know you have a payout available today. Can we get it requested live on this interview?
Why not? Why not?
Awesome. Let's do it.
I just logged in a few minutes ago in my Hola Prime. Can you see my Hola Prime page?
Perfect. Just take your time with that. Make sure everything's correct.
And I have requested my money.
I'll start a timer here for the viewers. Just started the timer. So, Parth, whenever that money comes through, do let me know, okay? So moving on, let's talk a little bit about your trading. I would love to know, you know, I mean, you've pulled in such a good percentage. I'd love to know, where did you kind of start with trading? When was it?
I started investing in crypto back in 2020. So when I started, it was nice, but it was slow. I'm a very excited person. I'm very, you know, I cannot wait a long times. But when I started investing in crypto, it was like moving only $1 in a week or something. So I was like, what the fuck? Why waiting so long? Let's say in 2022, I was in India. There was a Hindu fest known as Janmashtami. It's a Hindu fest, which is a birthday of our god. So I was here with my family, and my people were getting ready to go for the function, and I was sitting idle. So I was scrolling through the social media, and pop-up comes out, an ad comes out, and it shows me like if I invest XYZ money, I can get XYZ money. It triggered my brain a little bit and was like, what? How is this possible? I downloaded the app. I guess you must have heard about this binary trading.
Binary
like
options,
when you have to tell in 1 minute if it'll go up and down, thing, blah, 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 right?
Yeah, binary options,
I got excited and I invested. I downloaded the app and I invested $100. And I started punching the buy and sell button for a minute, and I don't know how, but I am lucky. I know I am fucking lucky. And within like say 25 minutes, I made these $100 into $800.
Wow.
And I was like euros, actually not dollars, euros. And I got, wow, how is that possible? If I'm getting so much money, I should put my entire amount in it. I invested all of my 800 euros. And within 1 minute, boom, gone. I was like, what the fuck?
Yeah.
And that's how the trading thing got me. Then I started learning a little bit and started investing, blown a lot of money. Doing the binary. Was sitting in my office room working on my stress and something. My wife comes to me and she says, hey, buddy, have you seen this thing? I said, what? there's something called Forex trading. I said, what's that? It was in 2023 in the month of June. For these from for like 2022 till 2020 June, I was blowing money like every day. I had money because I was working good. I was on a good job, so I was earning good. So I kept on blowing. And so when the June came, my wife suggested me there's a thing called Forex trading. I said, what's that? Then she showed me like, look at this. I saw this. I used to use Pocket Option as my broker back then.
Yeah.
So she said there's also this option, and I clicked on it, checked out, but I was egoistic man back then. So I know I said I'll do only binary, and then I started losing more money. But 2 weeks later, I said, let's give me a try. Let's give it a try. Then I started doing Forex, and then that was the time when I got to know that I don't have to invest my full amount. I can like invest only like 1% of my total thing, and I can still make money.
Yeah.
And
Absolutely.
that's how Forex trading came in my life and changed everything. It's like,
Amazing.
oh wow,
Well, I mean, what a
that's how,
story from crypto to binary options. I mean, binary options, I remember those days as well. I tried it a bit as well, but it was pure gambling. Binary options.
it was for YouTube videos made me gamble it more. I saw
Yeah.
so many people making like compounding $1 into $80,000. I'm like, what the fuck? How can they do it? Why
Yeah.
can't I? Then I woke up.
I guess there's an argument, like if it's more longer term options, yeah, that's fine. Because then you have a bit more, But the 1 minute binary options, I mean, they became banned here in the UK. I don't know if they're still available in Europe. I
It's banned
imagine they're
in
banned as
India
well.
also, Germany
Yeah.
also. I am an Indian. My background is from India.
Yeah.
Like I
Yeah.
was born in India, but I'm staying in Germany from 2011.
Nice.
My father moved here a lot long ago. He owns a company here, so I'm with him.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
want to do my own stuff. That's why.
Nah, absolutely. Absolutely. But I'm glad you found Forex. And what
I'm glad that too.
when you started trading Forex, obviously you had already some kind of skill from trading already. Like even though it's binary options and crypto, it's a bit different, sure, but there'll be some kind of relatable skills you can move over, right? Did you find
That's
your journey into Forex was a little bit smoother because you had that kind of investing experience beforehand?
no. I was just a stupid human back then. I just had a few bucks to spend.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
had no history. In my entire family, nobody knows about trading. I'm the only
Gotcha.
one.
All right.
So when I started doing the Forex thing, I had no clue what it is. I just knew that I can buy and I can sell. I can sell me how much, and I had no idea there's something called stop loss back
Oh,
then.
wow. So you traded with
So
no stop loss as well at the beginning.
I have I have like clicked on the buy or the sell button, and I've left the screen. I
Wow.
used to be in profits of like, if I say I used to make $200, and I never clicked the stop button. I just said, oh wow, 200 will get to 400 something, and the 200 used to go to minus 500, and it was like, the hell has happened with me?
I mean, what a journey! What a journey! So where did it change for you then? So from being essentially gambling in the market to now actually pulling in consistent profits, what kind of changed?
I got addicted to trading.
Mm.
The year is in 2024 when I woke up. What happened was like I was doing, and I got this. You must have heard this thing. They call it revenge trading, right?
Sure.
I
Yeah.
cannot be wrong. I'm a man. It's an ego in me that I cannot be wrong. If I bought the stock or the some anything, it should go up. Why the hell did it fell? It made me lose so much, so much. So I was like in front of the mirror, and I said, I have lost so much amount of money from my pocket. What the hell? Then I fucking slapped myself so hard.
Mm.
3 times I remember, and I remember the red face I had that
Mm.
day. Man, what the hell are you doing? You are supposed to be a good person. You have responsibilities on your head. What the hell are you doing? You have a family to feed. You have your parents are there. Your father is there. You have to take care of them.
Mm.
Wake up. And that's the time in 2024 I started changing. I have never taken any course or something. That's not
Yeah,
me. I cannot learn from somebody. If I cannot teach myself, the thing is not for me.
sure.
Then I started finding the charts. I started checking the charts. I started with the GBP JFI. Sorry, US 30. I started with US 30, and I uh, started watching the charts for a longer time. I started watching the 4 hour candles, and then I started watching the 1 hour candles. Then I started watching the 30 minutes candle. I kept on looking on them, all of them, and slowly, I started understanding the psychology of trading.
Mm,
Then then I understood one thing, that chart is a mystery. Solve the mystery, create the history. That's something I
I like that.
learned. Like, if you can concentrate on the charts, if you can see the psychology of the candles, trading is really easy.
Mm,
There's nothing to worry about trading. That's when I started learning. Oh, that's how. Then I found few edges. Like, right now, I can trade in 10 different ways, in
mm-hmm,
10 different markets, in 10 different names. I'm okay with. I'm sure with it. I know I
mm,
can make money now. Slowly, when I started to understand this, things got easier. But it took me only 2 months to learn trading. It was only 1.5 months, I can say, but it took me 1.5 years to master it.
yeah, yeah.
Learning is easy, but unless you cannot master in your brain, you cannot. So I used
Right?
to take trades on my perfect edge. Not perfect, nothing is perfect, but on my edge. Every time it used to hit my stop loss, I had an ego in me. I couldn't get over with my ego, so I
Yeah.
kept on revenge trading and losing money, and kept on trading. Then slowly, from last, let's say, 10 months, I'm controlling myself.
Yeah,
I still make few mistakes, but I'm way better than I was in 2022. I
sure.
make money now. I make profits now.
No, that's really good. And I really like what you said about reading the psychology of the candles, because I always say this as
Mm,
well. Once you learn the story, once you're able to read the story, the chart is a story. Interpret the story correctly, and it becomes a lot easier to trade. So I really like that. And you're right, psychology, so important, right? The moment you drop your ego and you become a good loser, essentially. To be a good trader, you
true,
have to be a
true,
good loser. You know what I mean?
true. That's true. That's true.
It's stop focusing on the wins, focus on your losses a bit more, and learn to accept them
the
easier.
the time you start
So much
focusing on
easier.
your losses, your wins are gonna get bigger,
Yeah,
and your losses are gonna be very small, very small. Like,
exactly. Incredible stuff. I'd love to kind of know a little bit about how you actually trade. Like, what do you look for generally when you jump on the chart? And if it's possible, could you show a chart with a
yeah,
screenshot
sure,
and
why
kind of
not?
walk
Why
us
not?
through? That would be amazing.
Give, give me a minute. I'll show you a very easy way to trade.
Perfect.
If somebody follows this thing,
Mm-hmm.
see, this is a 30 minute chart, right?
Yep.
I'm already on a 30 minute chart. Always look for the trend of the 30 minute charts, right? I'll give you an example of today. Um, So the 30-minute chart shows us that the market has broken the downtrend
Mm-hmm.
and is moving in the upward direction, right?
Mm-hmm.
Come to the smaller time frame. Come to the 1 minute time frame, 3 minute time frame, or the 5 minute time frame. It's all the same. Always look for a little consolidation
Mm-hmm.
on the smaller charts. For example, here, when the 30 minutes broke the trend, which was around here,
Mm-hmm.
this is the area. Uh, I'm not fond of this thing. How to do it? But this is the place where the 30 minutes chart broke the trend, right?
Yep.
Now it's in the upper direction. If you look closely, I'll mark the zone if I can see. How do you mark it? I'm
Could
not
you
good with the market.
really quickly, could you just click X on the little advert on the side, if that's okay?
X? You mean
Just
this here?
close the advert. Yeah, thank you. Perfect.
So if you look closely on this thing,
Mhm.
there's a little consolidation happening, right?
Sure. Yep.
One rule: don't go against the trend of the 30-minute chart or the 1 hour chart. Never. This is what I believe. This is my trading style, right?
Mhm.
So for me, the trend is now upwards, right? It is a bullish trend right now.
Mhm.
I kept on waiting, saying nothing happened before because it was a downtrend. There was
Mhm.
a consolidation, but I couldn't enter it because I entered a day before yesterday. That's a past story. I'll tell you someday else. So today, when the chart, when the 30-minute candle broke the trend, it's starting going upwards. And if you check out, here's a little consolidation happening in the 1 minute chart, right?
Mhm.
From the same place it's falling, it from the same place it's rising up, right?
Mhm.
This is where I trade. This is the only place I have learned that a market knows. Once this consolidation breaks, buy it, put your stop loss. I usually take it's on the gold, but you
Mhm.
can do it in the USD JPY. You can do it in GBP JPY. It works in every other forex pair, right?
Yep.
So when this thing breaks out, 1 minute candle or 3 minutes consolidation or 5 minutes consolidation, I prefer always 1 minute because you get a better position.
Mhm.
This is where the candle broke the consolidation, right?
Yep.
I entered here, and it has given me already a $20 profit,
Yes.
and that's it. That's the only psychology what I've understood.
Very nice. I like it. So, do you do this only when a new trend is breaking out? So we just had a downtrend. We just broke the high. So the last bit of structure from the downtrend. So is that when you're looking for
Yes,
it, or would you do it on another continuation? So imagine now the second leg of the upward trend.
I prefer the first breakout is the most beautiful one.
Sure.
For example, if we see day before yesterday, the trend was going up. This is a
Mm-hmm.
30-minute chart, right?
Mm-hmm.
Day before yesterday, then in the evening, the chart broke the structure, right?
Yep.
So the next day, if you check out, it is the same thing. Once the chart has broken, once the candle breaks the thing, you have to go. Which is the date? Which is the date? Which is the date? What was the day before yesterday? The 10th, right? Here, see, it has happened again.
Yes.
This is on the 9th, right?
Mm-hmm.
When the chart broke downwards on the 10th, it's a consolidation again.
Mm-hmm.
When the market opens, when the new session opens, right? Always go for the trend 30 minutes take you.
Yeah.
Sell it when the I this is not like a 100% correct zone I've shown you,
Sure.
but you'll understand once. It's because it's the same place the market is getting rejected. It is the
Mm-hmm.
same place market is getting accepted, right?
Mm-hmm.
Once it breaks the structure, just go blindly, just enter, click on your buy or sell button.
Mm-hmm.
Take as much profit as you can, as much you want, or as little as can. It's on you. Like I have always told myself also, it's not about the money, how much money I'm making. It's about how much I can make.
Yeah.
At least I prefer wait until the 30-minute chart doesn't break out in the different direction, opposite direction. Stay in the game,
Yes.
and that's how I made money. And I
Just uh.
guess you have Hola Prime has sent
Oh,
me.
it's happened. There we go. I hit stop.
So it's a discount code.
Oh
No, no,
yeah,
payout has
oh,
also
the
approved.
payout's come.
Payout has
Oh, okay,
also
there we go.
approved.
So
Payout has also
18
approved. Yes.
minutes that was.
Wow.
18 minutes. It's quick, right?
Wow. Yeah, it's pretty quick.
Is
It's
it
pretty quick.
possible, Pat, is it possible you could just show us that payout for the viewers?
Here's the
There it
payout
is.
approved.
Amazing. And just to confirm for the viewers, the money has landed in your crypto wallet, correct?
And I'll show you on my phone
Yeah,
as
that's
I have
absolutely fine.
received the notification. If you can see,
There it
Binance
is.
has informed me that the money has been deposited into my wallet.
Amazing. How do you feel right now? First payout with us.
I'm feeling happy. I have to fly to Germany on Saturday, and it's a free ticket for me then.
Exactly, and more, and more. So incredible stuff. And to do it, it's such a surreal moment when you start earning money from trading, because you realize then you're buying real life stuff. You're able to, like you said, a plane ticket, restaurant, whatever it might be, and it came from the markets, clicking buttons,
From
and
the
it's such a
markets,
surreal
from the
moment.
markets. Yes,
Incredible
yes,
feeling that never
it is.
gets old. So congratulations again, and you deserve every penny.
Thank you.
And I hope to see many more payouts coming your way in the future.
Of course. I hope I'll take a payout on Monday now.
Definitely, go for it. And I loved your strategy as well. I know you said that's one of 10, but I love how simple it is. And
it's that's what I said. That's what I've learned. Trading is only simple if you think it's simple. If you keep on thinking trading is tough, trading is gonna be tough. It's always on your psychology. Once you start understanding the market, once you start understanding the green and the red candles, you don't have to sell on the red candle. You don't have to buy on the green candles. Once you understand this, you can make a ton of money. I have made a lot of money. I'm happy with it.
Yeah, no, absolutely, and I 100% agree. And you're doing very, very well. So I'm very excited to see where you'll be in the future as well. Give it another few years. How much you would have progressed as well with us will be very exciting. Parth, I would love to ask, now that you're a funded trader with us and got payout, how's your overall experience been with Hola Prime?
It's simple. Hola Prime is the simplest prop firm I have ever seen. Like, there's no slippage thing. I have almost funded almost $1 million. I'm funded right now with including Hola Prime, but Hola Prime is something like I don't have to like go like take stress on my brain to see. Only request I could do with Hola Prime is if they start showing me my if I enter a trade, I could see where what my profit and loss is going, because I leave the screens when I enter the trade. I don't sit on my screen, so but I have to check only the trading view thing to see where the market is going.
Gotcha.
I wish you people could arrange something in your dashboard where I can see how much profit I'm making and how much loss is going on right now.
Okay, I'll pass that on to the team. Absolutely. Good to always have good feedback as well from our traders. So that's a really good one there. I'll definitely pass that on. But overall, apart from that, all good experience so far, yeah?
It's awesome. It's
amazing. That's what we want to hear.
It got better right now.
I can imagine. I mean, the payout just shy of 20 minutes. That's not bad for us. I think our quickest one was 3 minutes roughly. So maybe one day we can break the 3 minutes. But 3 minutes, 20 minutes doesn't really make a difference, right?
It doesn't.
It's quick, and that's what matters. So really good stuff. One last question: What is the future for you and Hola Prime? Are you looking to get more capital? Because I know you have 100K right now with us.
I am I'm just working on my brains. I'm still Hola Prime has made me believe a little different than other prop firms. That's why I was asked for interviews from different prop firms, so I'm not bragging on something. I was not ready. But Hola Prime, I don't care. I was like, even if you don't pay me, I'm okay. I didn't get any stress when I was using the dashboard. I was like, okay, why not? I'll make money in a different way. Doesn't matter.
Yeah, no, I understand where you're coming from. But of course, we'll pay you. So don't have to worry about that. But
And I
yeah,
have been following Hola Prime from sometimes, and I started believing this from like blindly now, you know.
yeah,
And this
yeah.
thing, what happened today, it has made me trust it more.
No, incredible stuff. You know, we have a zero payout denial policy. And what that means essentially is, obviously, if you breach your account, you obviously, that's different, right? The hard rules that are
That's
there,
I have made
but
mistakes
there's
here in
no
Hola Prime. I have,
hidden rules. There's no kind of subjectiveness. Oh, you did this, none of that kind of stuff. So you hit the
even if
targets,
there are
you
rules in your prop firm, it's written in the rule book. Uh,
correct, yeah.
if you like, if I have to go to a different prop firm, I have to like find it what the rules are for say per trade. For example, you have already shown on your rule book that I cannot risk more than 2% per trade, and that's the best thing for the Hola Prime funding. Other prop firms, they deny the payout that you have made so much mistake, blah blah blah.
That's it.
And there's also a different best thing about Hola Prime. Why I love Hola Prime is because you have this 10 minutes rule written in your rule book that I
Hmm.
cannot take the same trade in the same direction for 10 minutes.
Yeah,
This has
yeah,
made me lose a lot of money from other prop firms because later on when I request payout, they're like, "No, you cannot take because you broke this rule." And I was like, "Oh, where
exactly.
is the rule?"
That's it. Because
That's why
unfortunately,
that's what I'm saying.
a lot
Hola
of
Prime has changed my thinking in a very good way. That's why I'm not just because you gave me money. It's not the point. I really wanted to thank you for making my brain work in a better way. Uh,
incredible.
I really wanted to say, and I'm glad I could talk to you, Sam. I've
No,
seen
you're
your
most
videos
welcome.
on.
You're most welcome. And amazing that you see my video.
I yesterday I saw your video also. Like when I got that I have to give the interview, and I was like amazed, like what, how, then why.
No,
Then I
incredible
started
stuff.
looking how things happen. Then I saw you emailed me or someone from your team that Sam Saleh will take my interview, and then I
Yeah.
went to YouTube and searched for your name, and I was like, oh, okay, then he's a good guy.
Yeah, yeah, no. I mean, I'm glad you accepted the interview. It was really good chatting with you, and
No, man,
really,
it's not me. I'm not someone who can accept it. Thank you for asking me for an interview, and thank you for making me do an interview. I'm not nobody
no, you're
right
most
now.
welcome. You're most welcome. And you know, it's been an absolute pleasure talking to you today. And I hope, you know, as you progress with us as well, we can get a like, little update interview at some point in the future as you get more payouts, more capital. It'll be amazing to have a catch up because we're really happy to
Yeah.
have you on board. You know, we can back traders like you confidently. People who are disciplined, they know what they're looking for, they have a good strategy, they know their edge, and they just execute it very well. You know, so that is what we're looking for. You fit that criteria perfectly. So it's a very, you know, mutual beneficial relationship between Ola Prime and yourself. So very glad to have you on board. But Parth, we'll end it there. Thank you so much for coming on, for sharing your
Thanks, Sam.
story, the payout. It's been an absolute pleasure.
Thank you, Sam. Thank you, Sam. Thank you, Hola
Thank
Prime.
you. And to all the viewers,
Nice day.
thank you guys for watching. If you did enjoy this video, go ahead, leave a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on channel notifications, do all of that good stuff. Join our Discord because it really does help us out. But apart from that, thank you guys for watching and we'll see you again very soon. Take care for now. Bye-bye.
Hola Prime, trade with transparency.